Problem set 5, fourth question. Okay, in this now we start with the first one. Yes, I would like you all to do the second and third for homework. There are hardly 4 sums, that is 8 sums. Try doing it for homework, and I don't think it's difficult. Yeah, but in the fourth sum there are varieties, so I will do all the 3 for you. So I want you to start with me. First one, x upon 3 plus y upon 4 equals to 4. This is what is the equation given, and one more given is x upon 2 y upon 4 equals to 1. Yes, having denominator is not a very good, so we get rid of the denominator first. To get rid of the denominator, check what is the LCM of 3 and 4. 3 and 4 LCM is 12. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So we pick the first equation, x upon 3 plus y upon 4 equals to 4, equation 1, multiplying throughout by 4 3s are 12. 12 into x upon 3. 12 into y upon 4, 12 into 4. So 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are. So you have 4x plus 3y equals to 48. I'll keep this as equation 2. I hope this is quite clear. Now look at the next equation. What we have, x upon 2 minus y upon 4 equals to 1. LCM of 2 and 3 is 2 and 4. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So multiplying, number it as third equation, multiplying equation 3 by 4. So 4 into x upon 2, 4 into y upon 4, 4 into 1. So this cancels here, this cancels here. What do you get is 2x minus y equals to 8. Sorry, not 8, 4 ones are 4. Equation 4. Got it? Now, which two equation are we interested? We are interested in the second and the fourth equation. In this equation, we can do is we can multiply this fourth equation by 3, bringing it as minus 3y. Then we can add the two equations. So multiplying equation 4 by 3. What do we get? 6x minus 3y equals to 3 4s are 12. Equation 5. So no longer we look at fourth equation, now we look only at the second and the fifth. What can be done? Adding. So adding 2 and 5. What do we get? 4x plus 3y equals to 48. 6x minus 3y equals to 12. So add. In the process of adding, these two gets cancelled. 10x equals to, yes, what you get is 60. So x is equal to 6. Substituting. X equals to 6, in which equation can we substitute this? Which is the easier one? Equation 4. So 2x minus y equals to 4. 2 into 6 minus y equals to 4. So y equals to 12 minus 4. So y is 8. Is that very clear? Understood? Okay, so what is the solution? 6, 8 is the solution. Now, after following the first sum, we now go for the second one. I hope you have finished writing the first one. Now we go for the second one. X upon 3 plus 5y equals to 13. This is one of the equation given. Again we have a denominator. Okay, so what we do is we don't number this equation. We want to get rid of the denominator. So multiplying throughout by the denominator. So multiplying. Okay, equation 1 by 3. What do we have? X plus 15y equals to 39. Is this very clear? Now, what about the second part of the second question there? Second equation given. 2x plus y upon 2 is equal to 19. What is the extra thing here in the denominator? 2. So multiplying equation 3 by 2. What do we get? 4x plus y equals to 38. Equation 4. Now just have a look. Is it easier? Look at equation 2 and equation 4. How can we solve it? Both the places, everywhere it is plus. So anyway we have to subtract. So we multiply equation 2 by 4. We obtain is 4x plus 60y. Oh my god. And 39 4s are. What is 39 4s are? 9 4s are 36. So 6 here, 3, 4 3s are 12 plus 3 is 15. This is the fifth equation. So now we look at fifth equation and the second equation. What can be done? And the second. The fourth. What can be done? Subtracting. Subtracting 4 from 5. Try subtract. Minus 4x plus y equals to 38. Subtracting changes the sign. This term gets cancelled. This is 59. Y equals to. What do we have here? 16 minus 8, so 4, 1, 16. So, not 1, 16, I'm so sorry, it is 1, 8. Correct. So, what is this? I think it is 2 times. So, therefore, you get the y as 2. Once you get y, can you find x? Yes. Come on, complete fast. Yeah, start writing and complete the sum quick. So y equals to 118 divided by 59. So y equals to 2. Substitute y equals to 2 in which equation is easier? Fourth equation. 4x plus 2 equals to 38. So 4x equals to 38 minus 2. 4x equals to 36. So what is x equals to 36 divided by 4. So x equals to 9. So 9 comma 2 is the solution here. Okay. With that we go for the third one. And third sum is very different, girls. Okay, so please pay attention carefully to complete that sum. Copy the question. Yeah, when you write the question, you understand that how the question is different. Correct? That is 2 upon x plus 3 upon y equals to 13. and 5 upon x minus 4 upon y equals to -2.